Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download TwoReverse Bank application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download TwoReverse Bank on your Android device, go open up your Play Store. Make sure you're connected to a strong internet, and once you open up your Play Store, in the search box at the top, type in TwoReverse Bank and make a search. You can also go to your web browser from your phone. In the search box, type in TwoReverse APK download and search. On the next page, choose the second link, or you can also visit any other link from where you can download the application. In my case, I'm choosing this apkpure.com link. On the next page, you'll be able to see the download button displayed in green. Tap on the button, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of a pop-up at the bottom. Tap OK from the pop-up, and the application is now being downloaded. Tap on the open button to open up the app, and you should receive this kind of a pop-up. Tap Install in order to install the application on your device and wait until it's done. As soon as the application is installed, tap on the Open button from the pop-up to open up your application. That is how you'll be able to download TwoReverse Bank application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.